Introducing the new EWheels EW-22 four-wheel mobility scooter, the perfect mobility device that will assist you in getting from place to place in comfort, safety, and style. Mobility scooters have become increasingly popular in recent years as they provide greater mobility and independence to people with limited mobility. They can offer numerous benefits ranging from physical health to social well-being. This lightweight folding mobility scooter by EWheels is the perfect device to help get you to where you need to go, whether that's shopping, to the mailbox, or just giving you the freedom and security to move around your home. This amazing scooter is light and compact with a weight capacity of 275 pounds and can be folded in seconds for portability, fits in most car trunks, and yet still achieves an impressive 25 miles on a single charge. Charging is a breeze with the included charger, and the impressive lithium-ion battery also operates the ultra-bright LED head and tail lights, as well as the electric horn and easy-to-use console and controls. With comfort in mind, this EWheels mobility scooter offers a padded seat, removable flip-back armrests, a front storage pouch, and yes, it even includes a rear storage basket. This new scooter is fun and easy to drive, even for beginners, with a top speed of 12 miles per hour, an easy-to-use height-adjustable handlebar, and flat-free tires. Don't let mobility issues hold you back. Take back your freedom and independence with the all-new EW-22 four-wheel mobility scooter from EWheels.